So I just recently got my Digitech 2-in-1 wireless microphone. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So I really wanted a microphone which I could attach with my iPhone. My other DJI could not be attached. I mean, it could be attached, but it is not really working with the iPhone. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. This is how the package look from the inside, and this is basically a case where you put your two mics and the receiver, and this is how it looks. So this is how the mic looks. There is a Digitech branding on that, and then this is the other mic, and this is the receiver which you actually have to connect it on your phone or any of your device. You can even connect it with the DSLR cameras you're using. I think it's pretty cool device. So let's go and see what else we get in this box. This is a manual. We'll see this later. And now let's see what's in this. I don't know what this is, but let's see. Let's just pull everything out and I'll show you one by one. So this is, I think it's like the muffs you put on the mic, so if there's a wind you don't actually get to hear the wind. This is so furry and soft. I'm not going to show you how to put it on, but anyways, let's see what else you get. So I guess these are the connectors what's written on the box, that you get two connectors or converters basically. One is with the lightning port and the other is type C to C. This is what you actually put inside. One side you connected with the phone and one side to the receiver. Then we have this clip, magnetic clip, which you can actually use on mic. I'll show you how we do it. So open the case, take out the mic, and then close it back. Anyways, so this is how it gets attached to the, the magnetic thingy on the mic, and you can now put it on your t-shirt or any which way you want to. Who am I to tell you what to do? You do what you want to do, right? And then let's put this mic back so I don't drop it. Also, I'm taking this video from the side. I don't know why. I'm standing on the side. Anyways, let's see what is this. This is like a USB to Type C charging cable. And this, I don't know, let's see. Some kind of wire, spiral thingy. Maybe this is the wire you connect with your DSLR. Not sure. So anyways, I'll be attaching while testing the mic at the end of the video. So don't forget to watch till the end. So let's pull this receiver out, remove this film, blue film type stuff, put this connector at one end and the other side on my iPad. Yeah, now it's connected. You switch on the power button and then you can see there are like multiple lights, and then you open your case, pull out the mic and find the power button for this device. Now both of them are connected. Yeah, that's how you do it. So this is my audio without any noise cancellation on. This is my voice with noise cancellation on. And let me go ahead and start the echo mode. Ha 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 ha, Mogambo khush hua.